Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add products to Bigcartel store. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Bigcartel, click on the sign up option. And from here, you can choose a plan that's right for you. You can have a monthly and annual subscription. You have all these from gold to platinum to diamond. But of course, to test the waters and gauge if Bigcartel is the right store for you, click on the free forever option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, for those who are new to Bigcartel, it is an e-commerce platform that enables artists, designers, and creators to set up their own online stores to sell their products and services. It's particularly popular among independent artists, small businesses, and creative entrepreneurs who want to sell handmade goods, art, clothing, accessories, and other unique items. Now, the first step that we are going to do is go to our dashboard and simply click on the products option at the very top. Now, as you can see, you can add a product in the option here, or you can import products, but we're going to have a separate in-depth tutorial on importing products. But for now, click on add product. Now, you can add a product here. And you put some description, and you can put a categories here by clicking on the options, but we will have a different tutorial on how to manage categories. But for now, let's just click cancel for it. Now you have an option here for the status, if it's active, or you're just trying to have it like hidden for now because you're testing the prices and just gathering up more information. You can have like a sold out for now, so you can entice the customers to get this product very quickly and coming soon, so that you will make the customers or your patrons to be excited on the launching of your product. But for now, let's try to have it active. Now, as you can see, you can set products here like 20 to 50 to 100 to 1,000. For now, let's make it 100. And obviously, you have a variant right here. When you click on add variant, you can set some price. And when you click on the on sale option right here, so that means it's you're gonna be giving a discount or a small cut to the original price. And when you click on the more options below, as you can see, you can have an option to track your inventory. So there's a lot that you can do from here. This arrow is something like can have an option to see the price, or you can delete them. All right. Now, when you click on the shipping options right here, you can put a specific one here. Like, is it gonna be alone, with others? There's a lot. And if you add more options here, like say for example United Kingdom, there's a lot, and you can put the different prices around here. Now obviously you can display or put 25 images when you upgrade, but when you click on it, and as you can see, we're adding more options here. We are adding our images, or the product images that we are going to launch. Okay, and after that, all I have to do is just click on save. If you're happy with that. Now, once we are finished adding our first product here in our account, we can add another product. So again, we're going to explore the import products option, because we did the manual entering the first product earlier. So click on import products, and as you can see, it's a lot easier to get up and running in no time, because all you have to do is upload a CSV file of your products. Now just click on the get started option. But if you don't want to rush it, just click on the learn more, so you can have like a small guidelines on how to do it. But when you click on the option, as you can see, you can simply add a CSV file of your products. Just locate the folder or the direct directory here. And from here, all we have to do is just click on the import products. Click on that and wait for it to be successfully imported. Now, to make sure that we have successfully uploaded our first product, just go to the dashboard. As you can see, you have the product right here. Also, you can go to the products. There's our first product. Okay, now let's try to add another product so that we're going to have a process of immersion. And again, just click on the product name. And the description again right here. And set some prices like 1,000. And let's add another image. All right, so on shipping, it's up to you. But for now, let's leave it blank. And again, all we have to do from here is click on save. Now the thing is, once you have added all your products right here, just click on dashboard, and you are satisfied with your store setup, you can publish your store to make it live and accessible to customers, right? And when you go to the products, should now be available for customers to browse and purchase on your Bigcartel store. And make sure to regularly update your product listings with their new items or as needed. Now, if by any chance you are having problems adding products or you have inquiries here in Bigcartel, you might want to go to Bigcartel Support Center, because from here, these are the channels that you can get support or have any inquiries that you have in mind. You can shoot an email anytime, 24/7, and these are the times that they are available from you. All right, from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. EST or Eastern Standard Time. And of course, this is going to be the email. And if you have other inquiries regarding about Bigcartel, so just contact here, right? In my experience, when I had a problem adding more products or variations to my store, they are very responsive and accommodating to all of my inquiries and questions. So Bigcartel's customer support service is top notch. Now let's go back to our store. And once it's live, you would be able to check the visitors of your website, orders, and the conversion rate if your product is selling well, plus the revenue that you have on the products that you have added here. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.